Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Sephia Spaces, your destination for inspiring home tours from around the world. Today, we're exploring a breathtaking luxury residence that perfectly blends bold architecture with modern elegance. If you love beautiful homes and architectural inspiration, make sure to subscribe and join us for more incredible house tours. Before we begin, let's talk about the design style of this remarkable home. This residence is a modern brutalist luxury villa characterized by exposed concrete surfaces, bold geometric volumes, dramatic cantilevered forms, and expansive floor-to-ceiling glass. The combination of raw materials and minimalist design creates a timeless architectural masterpiece. All photos in the video are used for visual and inspirational purposes. Front facade. The front facade immediately captures attention with its powerful concrete structure and clean architectural lines. Massive geometric forms appear to float effortlessly above the entrance, while large glass panels soften the bold exterior. The reflecting pool and subtle LED lighting add a luxurious atmosphere, making this home both dramatic and welcoming. Entrance foyer. As we step inside, we're welcomed by a grand double-height foyer that feels open, elegant, and inviting. Floating concrete stairs, warm, hidden lighting, and a beautiful wooden pivot door create a striking first impression. Every detail is carefully designed to highlight simplicity, balance, and premium craftsmanship. Living room. The living room is the heart of the home, offering generous open space filled with natural light through floor-to-ceiling windows. Exposed concrete walls, luxurious furniture, and warm ambient lighting create a sophisticated yet comfortable atmosphere that's perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. Living and entertainment area. Connected seamlessly to the main living space, the entertainment area is designed for family gatherings and social occasions. Comfortable seating, elegant finishes, and uninterrupted views of the outdoor landscape create a relaxing environment where every moment feels special. Home office. This private home office offers the perfect balance between productivity and comfort. Large windows bring in natural daylight, while the minimalist design reduces distractions. Premium materials and clean architectural lines create a workspace that feels calm, modern, and inspiring. Master bedroom. The master bedroom serves as a peaceful retreat from everyday life. Spacious proportions, warm lighting, and expansive glass walls create a serene atmosphere, while premium finishes and minimalist furniture enhance the feeling of luxury without overwhelming the space. Second bedroom. The second bedroom is designed with flexibility in mind, making it ideal for guests or additional family members. Soft, neutral colors, abundant natural light, and clean, modern details create a welcoming space that feels both elegant and comfortable. Children's bedroom. The children's bedroom combines practicality with contemporary design. Smart storage solutions, comfortable furnishings, and bright, natural lighting provide a functional environment that supports learning, creativity, and relaxation as children grow. Bathroom. Inspired by luxury spa resorts, the master bathroom features premium natural stone, a freestanding soaking tub, a spacious rainfall shower, and elegant lighting. Every element has been carefully selected to create a relaxing and refreshing daily experience. Guest bathroom. Even the guest bathroom reflects the home's commitment to quality and design. Clean architectural lines, premium fixtures, and a minimalist layout provide visitors with a comfortable and refined experience that perfectly complements the rest of the home. Walk-in closet. The walk-in closet is thoughtfully organized with custom cabinetry, warm integrated lighting, and generous storage space. Designed like a luxury boutique, it offers both functionality and elegance while keeping everything beautifully arranged. Kitchen. The kitchen showcases modern luxury through its oversized stone island, sleek cabinetry, premium built-in appliances, and minimalist finishes. It's a space where everyday cooking becomes enjoyable, while providing the perfect setting for entertaining family and friends. Dining room. Positioned beside the kitchen, the dining room creates a seamless flow for everyday meals and special occasions. Large windows, elegant furniture, and warm lighting make every dining experience feel comfortable, intimate, and sophisticated. garage. The spacious garage continues the home's minimalist architectural language with clean concrete finishes, integrated storage, and modern lighting. More than just a parking area, it's a functional extension of the home's premium design. Final impression. This modern brutalist luxury villa is a perfect example of how bold architecture and minimalist design can come together to create an extraordinary living experience. From its iconic concrete facade to its refined interior spaces, every detail reflects timeless luxury and thoughtful craftsmanship. If you enjoyed this home tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next inspiring home tour here on Sephia Spaces.